Untitled. I'm a product manager with John Deere Air Seeding. And sitting behind me is the new N500C Series Air Drill, which is a direct replacement for the 1990. As we look at the machine, the first thing we're going to notice is the redesigned frame, the larger tank. But underneath that tank, we have a lot better access to the meters. So we took the fan from the back of the machine and put it into the front, and that allowed for us to be able to access the meters from the rear. So no more having to lay down on the ground on the openers to clear meter blockage. We can drop our plenum right out of the way. So just like this, we can drop our plenum out of the way to get to our venturi cups to clear blockages in there as well. So that was the biggest improvement we made. You'll see on the back of the machine, we have some scale bars. So we have factory installed scale bars now. So we can see that weight on the Gen 4 and on an iPad app. And there's the onboard weight scales will enable a technology called ActiveCal. Now ActiveCal allows us to actively calibrate our meters as we're going through the field. So we enable that on the display, it collects the data, and then it'll recommend new meter displacement values so we can make sure that our meters put out the correct amount of product all the time. Alrighty, so as we back up here, you'll see that we have some walking tandem axles on the main frame. We put a lot of big new tires on this thing as well. So this is representing our high float kit here. So as we transition around the machine here, on the 30 and 36 foot models, we have a 100 bushel tank. On the 40 and 42, we have 120. The tank is crowned now so we don't get water in the meters. You'll also see in the very close up there's electric motors. So now the meters are driven electrically. Technology we brought over from the ExactImmerse planters. Same motors, same generator, same controller. Now we just brought that to air seeding. So that enables variable rate and prescription seeding. So as we come around here, Pro Series openers were introduced last year in the 1990. So we'll just kind of graze over those. The main point there is we remove those daily grease points, so we no longer have the grease zerks on top. From our big air seeding, we brought over our relative flow blockage system. So all run relative flow blockage. So no longer just going to say, green I'm seeding, red I'm blocked. Now it's going to look like planter bars. It's going to say row 1 is putting out within 5% of row 2, within 15% of row 12, within 20% of row 47. So we're measuring that flow relative to each other to ensure that we're spraying that seed properly behind the machine. Just trying to alert operators of that blockage earlier. Alrighty, let's go around to the front here.
Yep.
So from large air seeding, we also brought true set hydraulic downpours. So you can set that from the cab on the Gen 4. We don't have to dial our pressure gauge up in the center of the frame anymore. Now we can do that all from the cab. Just more time seeding, more time moving, and less time sitting here trying to set the machine up. And the last thing I'll talk about is our new name and numbering system. So like I said, this was the direct replacement for the 1990. Now we have the N500C series, or this is an N530C. So the N stands for no-till opener, which this unit has. 5 is just the series number. Our next 2 digits will be machine width. So in this case, it's a 30-foot bar, so 30. And C is a differentiator, so that stands for CCS. If you have any more questions, come find us here at the farm show.
Awesome, thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, awesome.